guys, welcome back to this channel. I am so happy that you are here again, and today's video it's a very important one. I am going to share with you how everything started from the beginning. I am going to tell you that living in a van, it wasn't my dream. When I just came to New Zealand, I knew that I wanted to be in a city from a couple of months, and I was sure that I wanted to travel around the country, but I didn't know when and I didn't know how to do it. But then I realized that here in New Zealand is very popular and very easy to travel in a van, so that's why I decided to do it. But it wasn't an easy decision because I really like my comfort zone. I really like it to have a bedroom and a proper bed and having my own space, and I was not sure if I really wanted to do it, and it took me a few of months to decide that I was doing it. And everything started with this image here. I had this in mind one day and I just wrote it down on my phone, and I was thinking that I was really tired of working, that I didn't want to work anymore. I just wanted to quit the job and I wanted to travel. It's the only thing I knew. And how this image say, I just wanted to play my ukulele somewhere in the middle of nowhere. That's what I really wanted. And after I wrote this image, this post that I actually didn't post in social media, I just wrote it for me. I started looking for vans, and a few days after this, I found the van, and I was actually going to pick it up from the person I bought it, and it was just awesome how I thought about it and I decided that I really wanted to do it, and it happened. So that confirms my belief in the law of attraction, because I really think that you can make it happen when you think about it and when you are committed to do it. I also didn't tell anyone about this idea, about what I was doing. I did everything in silence. I did everything on my own, by my own. The only people who know this were my flatmates, because they saw me coming to the house in the van and they were like, okay, now it's happening. Now she's leaving. And it was awesome to have something just for me, not telling everyone about what I was doing. Is probably the first time I do something like this, and it feels really good to do your own, you know. After I went to pick up the van, I drove home, and then I didn't know what to do. The van was parked at the house for so long, I don't know, maybe a month or a little bit longer. And it's like when you buy a pair of shoes or a cloth that you don't know what to do with it. You are like, okay, I bought it, and then what? When I'm going to actually use it? I felt like that. I didn't know when I was traveling. I didn't know where to go, how to do it. I didn't know anything. I didn't have a plan. And I felt a little bit stressed about it, so I just decided to leave the van there and wait until I was ready to do it. So it was there for so long, and then I decided, like, okay, it's really dirty in the inside, and I need to clean it. I need to clean this van. I need to make it like my house, how I want my house. So I started to clean the van. I had to vacuum it. I had to painted it. I have to do a lot of repairs, and it took me a few months to do it because I was not doing everything in one day. I was taking my time. I was enjoying so much. I enjoy all the process, and I think that was the most important part, to enjoy what I was doing. I was not just doing it for the results. I was having fun. I always listen music when I am doing something. So if you see me, if you watch the videos and I am like talking, is that I am not talking, I am singing. And to watch me singing, I'm gonna be posting these videos on Instagram. So go to Instagram, follow the project, and you can have this part of me like a singer. Anyway, the van in the inside, it was really dirty, it was disgusting, it was gross, and it took me a few months to repair everything and to make it like how I wanted it. This was a really bad moment when this piece of wood fall in my feet. Okay, let's see what I am talking about. Let's go back in time. This was a really bad moment. I had a really bad time because it really hurt and I didn't know what to do. I was by myself and I was just literally crying in the van. But luckily it was just that. It didn't happen anything bigger. I show you this because I want to share that not everything is happiness, and I am not always having fun. There are some bad moments, and I also want to share those ones because social media sometimes is like everything is happiness and I have the perfect life, but that's not real, of course. Okay, after the accident, everything was fine. And then I was ready to go on the road. And in that moment, I felt so happy. And it was a feeling of freedom. I finally was out of Auckland, out of the place that didn't feel good. I mean, it is not because Auckland is bad. It is because I spent so long there and I needed a break from the city. So going out, having this new life made me feel so alive. And I enjoy so much driving. Maybe because my mom taught me to drive when I was 14, and this is one of the things that I really enjoy doing it, listening music while I am driving. That's the best part. I was so excited. I wanted to do everything at the same time. I was like, I am so ready for this. I am the number one. I am so happy. I'm so excited. And I didn't have a plan. I didn't know where to go. I just went to the app where you can find the parking places and all that stuff for the van life. And I found this place and I was like, okay, I'm gonna park there because I don't have a place to go. I didn't know where. So I don't believe in coincidences. I believe that we are where we need to be. And I really feel that that place was the perfect for the first night. And it made me really happy to be there, just right next to the river and with the dogs around. It was just beautiful. Honestly, it was perfect for the first night.
Hello, good morning. It's my first day waking up in a new place, far away from home, far away from Auckland. And woke up at 6 a.m. Right now it's 6:30 in the morning, and I woke up at 6 and I was just watching the sunrise, and it is just beautiful. I saw these dogs.
So there I was, by my own, in this place. But the only way I can describe how I felt is saying that I was in peace. I felt so calm, so in peace with me, with myself, and with what I was doing. It felt right for the very first time in my life. Well, yeah, in so long. It felt so good. And when I was there, so far away from home, so far away from Oakland, so far away from Oaxaca, so far away from Mexico, but I felt that it was the right place to be. I was feeling good. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna read something that I wrote that night. I think I will get used to this new life in the van. Today I am here, but tomorrow I will possibly be in another city. But I am not in a hurry. I am living for today. Every time I'm away from home, like tonight, in the middle of nowhere, I start thinking of all those women who haven't been able to travel. Women who live in countries where they can't even show their faces. Many others experiencing domestic violence and haven't been able to leave, or they don't have another option. Many others who have not recognized their value and they don't know how to achieve what they want. From here, perhaps with this content, I can send you the message that you are not alone and that I think of you. It is up to you, and you can choose the course of your life. In your hands is the decision to improve a little bit every single day, to be the best version of yourself. Maybe for now, just for now, I can be your eyes, and through this screen, I can be able to transmit to you everything that I can perceive here today. The power, it's inside of you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support. All of you make me so happy with your comments, with your support. I felt so happy when I posted the first video and you all say those beautiful words, all those words of love and support. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.